Hello and welcome to the Indian Insight channel. In this video, I'm going to talk a bit about Bitcoin, the price action we are seeing. Going forward over the next 2 years, you're going to hear a lot about Bitcoin. And after that, I think it will become a consistent news topic like, say, gold, silver, or the stock market. What we have seen in Bitcoin is a tremendous rally this year since Jan of 2024. This year is the Bitcoin ETF sell the news event. It turned out to be a sell the news event, but it didn't go down a lot. And after that, we had a sweet rally, and we made a new all-time high around 70,000, around 73,679. After that, we are seeing this price action. It's a choppy price action. In a choppy price action, the price moves in a range, so the same price gets traded over and over. And because the same price gets traded over and over, this kind of a price action can signal two things. First, it can signal that the market is topping off. If it's topping off, then you can expect a substantial fall in the market. Or this choppy action can be part of a correction because you have seen a major uptrend like this year. Then you are seeing a choppy price action that is basically operating in a range. And this can be sign of a correction. And once this correction is over, you should expect the previous trend to continue and you should see a uptrend in this case. I have drawn a trend channel here using the price extremes, and the price is basically trading in this range. Now already we have seen some price action in the last cycle that was different from what we are used to in case of Bitcoin. Traditionally, Bitcoin does not make a new ATH, a new all-time high, just before a halving event. But this time, Bitcoin did make a new high before the halving event. Now, there is another expectation that after the halving event, there is a major sell-off in Bitcoin because of Bitcoin miners selling Bitcoin. And so far, we have not seen a major sell-off in the market. Yes, there has been some sell-off, but since halving, we have only been bullish. And if this continues, then it would clearly signal that we are in a new trading regime post these ETFs that have been launched in US and that are about to be launched in Hong Kong and other countries. So in case of this trend channel, in case we see that there is no substantial fall in Bitcoin over the next few weeks, then it should tell you that the market is strongly signaling that there is a lot of underlying buying in Bitcoin. And so this cycle can be very different from the previous cycles that the old time Bitcoiners are used to. Typically, once we break above this trend channel, I would assume that the previous uptrend has resumed and we can expect much higher prices for Bitcoin going forward. If, however, we are able to break below this trend channel, then again this would signal that we are doing something similar to what has happened before in previous halving cycles. In such scenarios, it is very helpful if you have a fundamental understanding of what you are buying. So if you have studied Bitcoin, if you are sure about its future prospects, then it's very easy for you to just hold on to your stack. And if an opportunity emerges, like it happened in previous halvings, that after the halving, the prices came down. And if such an opportunity comes to you, then you can probably buy more. If not, then you can be happy that you accumulated Bitcoin when you had the chance. So knowing what you're buying, knowing the in and out of why you're buying something, knowing your own reasons on why you're buying something becomes very important in such scenarios. Because remember that if someone bought Bitcoin at 600, do you think today he'll be sad that he didn't wait for a dip to 500 to buy his Bitcoin? Because today it's trading above 60,000. So similarly, it may happen that after a few years, you may not care that you bought Bitcoin at 60,000 or 50,000 or 40,000. You will be just glad that you bought some. So keep that in mind before you are irresponsible with your position and decide to sell a part of it based on some short-term news. With this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you liked it. And if you did, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, please press the notification button so you get notified when I publish a new video. Thank you for watching.